300 customers, $3 million run rate. Loyal users at Intel, BuzzFeed, even the US State Department. We are NewsWhip, and we've built a technology that signals which stories and events are getting traction right now, anywhere in the world. Media distribution used to be really simple. You got a newspaper into your hand, TV straight into your living room. Today, we're all media creators and distributors. It's infinitely more complex for brands, governments, and even news agencies themselves to see what stories matter, what is worth them investing in and paying attention to. Enter NewsWhip. We monitor hundreds of thousands of sources around the world to detect signals that stories are getting interaction. We deliver all that information into a real-time, personalized dashboard, which is used by key decision makers like brand managers, political strategists, and even news editors and journalists. Steve Rubell is Chief Content Strategist at Edelman, that's the world's largest PR firm. He's called their technology transformational for their business. They can see exactly what journalists and topics are resonating in any area and pitch in a much cleaner and more clinical way. He calls it Moneyball for media. And it's not just Steve. We're being used in news, publishing, PR, ads, brands, and governments. In the last week, we have a pop star coming aboard who I can't name, and a major international law firm too. So our market is growing very fast. As are we. Over 2 years, we've grown our ARR to the 3 million mark and are continuing to grow very quickly. We're penetrating more deeply into organizations with sticker prices starting at $3,500 per annum, but we now have big corporates paying up to $150,000 per annum to access our services. Our team's got brains, we've got PhDs in our key areas, we've got experience with alumni of top tech and media companies, we've got some fantastic allies, including Facebook and the AP, and we've got love. The NewsWhip team isn't just talented and hardworking, they're really committed to each other and what we're building together. NewsWhip is going to transform how media is discovered and distributed. And I'd love to tell you more about how we're going to do that. You can find us all the way down the back of the room having a beer in about 10 minutes' time. Thank you very much.